Hello everyone, today's training will be on unavailable codes. So let's go ahead and get started. By the end of this training, community resource specialists should be able to do the following: outline the differences between the codes and understand the importance of the unavailable code guidelines. Alright, so now let's talk about the importance of unavailable codes. Unavailable codes are used when a community resource specialist is unable or unavailable to handle incoming contacts. The proper use of unavailable codes helps the contact center manage the workload of the staff as contacts are queued through Max Agent. So, for example, if you're at lunch or if you're on break, you would use an unavailable code to avoid getting a call. These codes can also help determine how a community resource specialist is using their time and whether they're working efficiently. The longer a community resource specialist spends in unavailable state, the fewer contacts they will be able to handle. Data from the use of unavailable codes is used to determine a key individual service metric called unavailable time. Some unavailable time is necessary to perform work that is essential for the day-to-day operations of the contact center, but is not considered time handling contacts. The goal of these codes is to maximize the amount of time that agents are available to handle contacts while balancing the other needs of the contact center. All right. So now we're going to talk about some unavailable, or we'll go over the unavailable codes available on Max Agent. So the first unavailable code is called auto wrap. So auto wrap, unlike most of the codes that we have, you cannot manually put yourself in, right? Auto wrap is something basically that is automatically that you're automatically put into after a call. So again, this is a system-generated code for after-call work, and it automatically resets to the most recent status used after 60 seconds. Now, or 90 seconds, depending on the skill. Now, you can take yourself out of auto wrap before the 60 to 90 seconds, but this is usually used when you're finishing up notes. Okay, so it's kind of like wrapping up everything until the next call comes through. So the next code that we have is additional ACW. So, for example, if you're on a call and you're not able to finish up your notes, finish your notes up before the auto wrap is over, then you might have to put yourself in additional ACW. Now, this is done on rare occasions, and the reason being is because, like many of these codes, additional ACW is counted towards your time usage. The code should be used minimally, as most contact records can and should be completed while the anchor is still connected or done during auto wrap. All right. So the next unavailable code that we have is bio break. So this is used for bathroom related breaks. So if you need to go to the bathroom, we're not going to say no. Just go ahead and put yourself on bio break so that you don't get a call while you're in the bathroom. And then once you're done using the bathroom, go ahead and put yourself back on available status. Now, the other unavailable code, which kind of looks similar to bio break, is break. And break is used when you're going to take your 15-minute break. So everyone who works 7.25 hours receives three paid 15-minute breaks. But a specialist working 4 or 5 hours will receive 2 paid 15-minute breaks. So make sure that you use the break unavailable code when you're taking your 15-minute break. All right. Now, in the next training, we'll talk a little bit more about the unavailable codes. Thank you for viewing. I'll see you in a moment.